baby a yenye adri Aboa Kwasia politics.
Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in Sem TVGH so wafre me Adwoa searching. Ebusiafo Adam Saddick a journalist na odini juma ewo Angel FM a ewa Accra na ode ensem bi atodwa a okere se ende Ghana politics aya temdidi ende eniema ehia na ese na efata se aban bi ba obeye amatimamini bia na ne ho ato no omo de sa niama na ato nchen ena baby wiase adui baby a China fo edi wiase adu baby America fo edi wiase ko chese baby a developed countries no edi omo wiase no ekwakodu a ende Ghana hanomi ye the politics no ya na temdidi inti Saddick Adams chese ende politics kra enye debut because ubehu obi a wako school learned person educated person na oti radio so TV so Aboa na Kwasia
from our leaders
and all our leaders. Some of the leaders are the people who perpetuate sign insult no anti baby a yenye dru no ya me ho bi baby a yenye adri Aboa Kwasia politics. You can see people are learned. It is say Aaron wo hai wo sua de a wa ben no na nka wo de akotena social media na Aboa Kwasia stupid comment ase man timi say bi mo ko school pa by this time Aboa Kwasia politics.
No, unim Saddick,
I don't understand.
Your political affiliation is divided so much.
Yeah.
They are very emotional about it. And nothing that make us say near Papa we His Excellency John Dramani Mahamayan. Bibi I say na day.
Saddick Adams de atodwa a okere se enya de a eboa yen democracy no na Saddick kame akoye se oye aye hypocrite. Me ameti me share de nyi biasa. But from 2016, I'm started doing politics. I'm started me blogging about politics. No? From 2016, ever. Now politics and you. Adam Saddick, so beti me I can't carry. Edi no carry amanwa. Na Ghana politics. Na enye saying na eti. Anana social media and share that. Entre wa Ghana hanum tina na yehu say politics atem didi woman no. Na politics yen say netin na do start is obu amembu. Eno na me hu amembu ye pa na Ghana politics because me started blogging 2016 eba na me started say me the blogging echi no. Na politics na atem didi ni me say yo. Dabi Kelvin Taylor ebe started politics somewhere 2020 no mu. 2019 2020. Eno kwa na nya atem didi. But Kelvin Taylor ebe nya ataban edi atem ye from 2022 eba enya easy na do amfa na easy Kelvin Taylor ena ende ode atem didi Aboa na Kwasia ende obi atwe camera na odi yaman pani atem because politics are insult na hwan ena o share Kelvin Taylor kutupa se onye sa se Kelvin Taylor mpo na oye ne journalism ena ofili se Ghana fo mpanifo se bio omo nim yanse nti obedi omo atema party na Kelvin Taylor kasade ma omono inti sa party no entimi an call Kelvin Taylor to order ene mo hwe Ghana jollof offer cameras ni so o man pani ena nejere ena odi omo atem because Kelvin Taylor ni old video se wo bobi a eya asefem eya bufu eya tai inti de Ghana jollof ye kura nkrofo ntumi nka ne kese because start fi baby ena aba bedu baby inti no atem didi ne de enya de atwa yi enye fe kra se AI etitwi ase a anka Ghana de ena ne se Donald Trump kaze ye shit hole ya Sam George ebetna oka se nsema atwini Jonas kanasa atem didi atwini Jonas edidi Ghana fo mpadifo no emuhe ena enye no kware ene Sam George edua no ebu abo okura de jama we jime kura se wo mo bebu oman no ekoye akona momo aba no kwa jime se omo nti de twini Jonas atem no odi no mu deserve so odi mu sa atem no oti dem na so wo social media na ko pie Kelvin Taylor na tem sorry twini Jonas na tem this wa abrante wo fro hwaya ningo prampram MP Sam George and wani magu ase ubetimi ahwe bi untimi hwe bi because time Adam Saddick ni some other betu dwani ti Ghana politics no yemfa facts policies ebetimi de Aboa man Ghana eniyama ebetimi ama no man na akoso ni yenja atem di yemfa hwemba nti Adam Saddick esenka utumi ye bold na ubodin se nipa we no start atem didi party we no odi atem omo no esese nko ye bold no mutunifo mo ntimi na aginse ma asai nyafe na betufu no bia betie nyeye
abusia aya Malik basabasantali na asem aba na power aba na tie uwia adwane yen kanya asasem nche akwa no.
Would you believe that when you check the appendix to it, Malik Basintale, who was shouting and clamoring for 6K men, 5K men, is now putting 9 million Ghana cedis, equivalent of 900,000 USD, into youth in Techiberry. Do you know Techiberry? Abedru. And you ask, since 2025, what have they done with it? And so if...
Enema mi na me woka she Malik basabasantali. Ni edi kan. Omra be kire yen emabunu dodo a otimi employ in this model youth in planting of Abedru. Omra no be kire yen. Now on say ahia watu ka so far 2025 na ahia watu ka so far busumi bia ahia na wode mom. Owia o me kire yen youth in Abedru no. How many acres of Abedru a omedua ahe na omatwa ahe na omaton omoton ye ni sika ahe na Ghana ye nyaaye egu ye kitimu ana afensu sa 9 million Ghana cedis a we invest in youth in Abedru no enfaso ahe na Ghana ye nya free mu you see sa krodo na Malik basabasantali obo wa yi wono no eda power be change eda NDC be co opposition sane na so be yes no he will have a lot on his plate to deal with so no ana a proponent of oral operation recover all loot na woman nam di yedete ono na edi mutintiman a wonam radio station after radio station echo TV station upon TV station e kan sem hunu mo ba ka ya o victory party o said den no ono na same jamfi e introduce ne say obelidi oral e da NDC be free opposition wo Malik basabasantali oral no wo na be di first ne atoso mienu a me pese me ka che Malik basantali you see. The object of why na yete under President Kufuor no. The object nene say ebe create sustainable and decent job ama mebunu. Wo Malik basabasantali wo opposition one no the den wo TV to beg attacking MPP appointees left right center. Because say wutimi di Dr. Baomi atem e kan se mhunu fa na ho e twa ntroto ne so. Mobile power ani ya ma such delicate position. Why yes CEO and your position ketwa as a create sustainable and decent job Emma 5K men any 3K women I would do that dirty jobs no. And in your wisdom, in your intelligence, in your smartness, idea utimi coming up with a youth in a planting of Abedru. Youth in planting of Abedru upon all the ideas in human where we are here you could have come up with no. Youth in planting Abedru, and on a wutimi a coming up with. As a 5K men, any 3K women, I would use one with your dirty job, among planting Abedru. You see, Sankrofo when come on power, we wouldn't know how damn they are. We wouldn't know how useless they are. Sankrofo we. On power. This is the same person, Malik basabasantali way, Ebeko radio, Subeko TV so. Aqua attack Dr. Baomia. Such a person, Dr. Baomia, ideas are Dr. Baomia, they are bad. And Dr. Baomia may implement here, changing millions of Ghanaians' lives. Ideas are a being see that. But this guy, this young boy, only certificate, it's me Kotna TV so. Attacking the integrity of Dr. Baomia, questioning the competence of Dr. Baomia, can't throw so. And it's you now so damn it, it's you now so. Yama opposition CEO. Pe idea papa bi nyansadie bi ye na create decent job ema NDC full soldiers a omo na ma comedy o man atu omo ne akasa youth in Abedru ana wo utimi e coming up with and you are spending 9 million Ghana cedis me say Malik basabasantali and that power be changing hands one we say name wo ye MPP for one we say name wo tormenting crofo e bra e be ye apparent say NDC mo win elections no. And that NDC be free opposition, or be free power. And that NDC be lose elections. Then I do Danny free Ghana. Because Nyamudi MPP for BI, ya be times 10. Make come Sister Shoa. And you see MPP for now more now for NDC mudum. They be I will serve you notice. Maybe I will tell you this. I will remind you, say, when the time comes, na any ma boni NDC for ATMPP for NDC for ATMPP for. Say Obama no more match party comedy no more watch all these things and no more my ATMPP. Chama want to me or persecuting the Sanya way. A do one year you will be times 10 now will be. I say where madam way business partner, where my family member. You such person. The way we will come after you, no baby I will be no. The way I beg that boys. I'm on my Sale, Mode.
Busia, woman ko share video yi. Yan ko share.
My fathers and mothers in Christ. The current legal impasse created by the Akufo-Addo administration on the Promotion of Proper Human Sexual Rights and Ghanaian Family Values Act, which was passed by Parliament, has set a dangerous precedent for our governance. The constitutional directives for action by the President are quite clear and need not have resulted in this stalemate. As I publicly stated, I'm a proud member of the Assemblies of God Church, and my faith does not permit same-sex marriages or relationships. No. Thank you. My faith does not permit same-sex marriages or relationship, nor does it endorse human-animal relationships, or does it allow people to change their gender as they wish. This is a fundamental belief that I hold and is grounded in my faith. I therefore assure you that the promotion of LGBTQ+++++ and all the pluses will have no place in our schools and communities under my administration.
Yebomesu ewo Assemblies of God Church. Waiting na 2 years nye minai ansi hobium. Waiting na 2 years nye minai ansi hobium. The Assemblies of God, this is your product. This is your product. After winning elections, no, and the power say they important. This is what you produce. Assemblies of God, this is what you produce. This is your product. Your product. When I'm with Tani the Bab one thing, Ghana one tennis, so when I'm with the Brian, gay and lesbianism, and I'm with the Brian. Enti muna na mujina o mubom nsa wura edman se wakanya asasam no and do paka chem say it is no longer important. Na enya bia no sabi o hwe na enim ko wa jiminti obi a ona akasa na dafu no chocho mucho na dafu akasa ne Andrew Solomon ye ka Andrew Solomon na oye gay king kong na dafu akasa no Andrew Solomon grant interview say ono na dafu akasa ne the president. The then president in 2016, John Dramani Mahama, and Tisani Panicachos or no fighting gay and lesbianism by signing the bill for protecting your values. And there were winning elections a year or culture said those things are no longer important. And what's up by a man in 2015, 2024, 2025, and South Africa for couples are omuye gay. Abe Ghana akwa jina ye Independence Square. Efi afe ano Ghana. And the John Dramani Mahama promise a odi ma ye nyina anechi no obeye mampanyin no South Africa for ya omuye gay. Abe Ghana akwa jina Independence Square efi afe ano. Wey no odi breye wey. What has been done about it? Mwako Jessica Eddie gay for the Baba promoting gay lesbianism. Muya Mukachira Ghana for say it is no longer important. Telling the clergy about that important because at the end of the day, Mudi achieving no mushe. Or the achi kweshini bemba way and the achieve no shwe. Na papa way me say or papa way sa papa way ya ne yire mun kanche ne yire se me say. monitor no. Mun kanchira papa we yere se mesui monitor no. Because obe kom no or ye gay and on nam sa papa we me catch your plane. Nyachum papa we na eyam yese adebechi Sunday na Ghana